going on, everybody? It's your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devereaux Davis, and we're doing a quick unboxing video. I haven't been on this for a while, but I'm still here, and this is my new puppy, Bree. This is puppy number 2. She's only about 3 months old, and she's trying to open this. She's trying to do the unboxing by herself. She's trying to open the box already. But what we're opening today is a gshock watch. Like I said, I know they're a little bit outdated as far as, but I love G-Shocks. I love collecting them. I always admired them. Never got a chance to get my hands on them as much as I'm able to right now. So once I'm getting my hands on them, I'm gonna buy as much of them as possible. Bring these things back. A lot of people bring them back. A lot of people like them and still rock them. They're considered a cop watch. A lot of cops wear these things. I'm not a cop, but you know, other than that, always had an affinity for them and I love them a lot. As you know, I bought the red one before, but now I'm buying I bought the solar powered tough. The description is in the bottom, and let's get to this before Bree decides to open this by herself. Bro is in the living room chewing on a bully stick, so he's not he doesn't want to be in this video, but Bree definitely wants to make her debut. So let's go ahead and open this damn thing. All right, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna pause it. All right, let's get to this. I gotta do this with one hand because I gotta hold the camera. All right, well, bro's. All right, scratch that. Bro's here now. I think he's finishing his bully stick, so I just popped that open with the knife real quick. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. All right. I got this on Amazon, by the way, and I only paid $1 for it, $100 straight. That's the little packages that come in. She's gonna chew that up. That's the receipt right there, and this is the box that it comes in. G-Shock box right there. Perfect packaging. She just took the receipt, so I guess she's gonna handle that herself. So I caught the blue version. It has a blue geez, could this come out the box without me fighting it? Pause again, hold on. All right, here we go. So we took it out the box, and it's right there, G-Shock right there, and it's blue on the inside. Nice, sturdy, tough watch, very durable. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wear this right now to the gym because I don't have my watch on. I'm going to I plan on rocking this today. I'll set this up tonight as far as everything that needs to be set up. Please don't chew up the receipt. Let me take this from you real quick. Thank you. She's about to shred this up. So let me show you real quick. Give you the whole description of this real quick. Does it have it on here? No. Recharge, self-charging, self-adjusting. Awesome. This is nice. This is a really nice watch. I was gonna get the all black one, but I was like, all right, let me get a little bit of blue. Let me get a little blue accent in there. Let me make it, you know, pop a little bit. You know. What else we have in here? It comes with, of course, with instructions and everything, and how to. Can you get out of there? Instructions, a plate, a lifetime warranty. Come on, let's go. And a thick manual on how to construct this damn thing and how to get this thing set up online, because it is one thing about G-Shocks. It is I don't want to say complicated, but it is somewhat of a chore to get this together. So this is the G-Shock AW. Let me show you real quick. AWG. I'm blocking my address and stuff so you don't know, you know, where I live in case whatever. AWG GM 100A men's tough solar black resin sports. So this is more of a sporty watch. As she tears up the box, bro's more chill, she's more destructive. My bed's a mess right now because I'm living with 2 puppies that love to destroy everything. But anyway, this was the G-Shock watch right here. I'm gonna put this thing on, rock in the gym, and I'm about to set it up tonight. All right, peace.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.